feel like that they kind of bamboozled us to get our money. And I feel like that they kind of, it was just like, like they just blindsided us.
Brides are fighting to get back the money they invested in their dream weddings. They're finding a lot of dead ends. We first told you about the bankruptcy and closure of the venue called Noah's earlier this month.
Anchor Allison Lottis spoke to some brides who say even the Attorney General's office has not been able to help.
So far, 6 people have filed formal complaints asking Josh Stein to get involved. 2 of them shared their heartbreaking stories with me of wedding dreams that have been destroyed.
They said that they don't have any.
Since 2018, Janiyah Rory has been planning the wedding of her dreams. But 4 months before the big day, her wedding plans have come to a screeching halt.
I was so devastated. Words don't even describe.
Noah's event venue on Yorkmont Road and locations nationwide closed down this month with no notice, leaving brides scrambling to make new plans and fighting to get their money back. Rory says she questioned Noah's when the company filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in May and was assured the Charlotte location would stay open.
They sent this letter basically saying that they had renewed their lease for another 2 years.
Now in Chapter 7 bankruptcy, Noah's is selling assets to pay creditors. But brides like Rory are at the bottom of that list. She's out more than $4,000.
I would hope that we wouldn't have to go to the courthouse or elope, but it's leaning towards that way.
And I was like, no, we're fine. Don't worry about anything.
Desiree Wade says the staff at the Noah's in High Point convinced her to book her wedding. She paid $5,300 and hasn't gotten a dime back.
And for me to put that much money down on a facility it's really heartbreaking. I just feel like that they took advantage of us.
Rory and Wade are among 6 to file formal complaints with North Carolina Attorney General Josh Stein. What do you want the Attorney General's office to do?
Prevent any further businesses from taking advantage of brides and their big day and putting so much money on the line to where it all falls crashing down.
I just want to feel that something is being done and that my voice is being heard.
I've been in touch with the Attorney General's office. They told me because of that bankruptcy proceeding and that the business is effectively over, sadly, there's not much they can do to help these brides. That means their only option is to go to bankruptcy court next month, but the hearing is in Utah. And the women I interviewed said they just can't spend the time or the money to travel that far with no guarantee of actually getting their money back.
It's a really stressful and sad situation.
It's awful.
We've reported on some venues, even a church, that have offered discounts to brides who lost money to Noah's. And did they try any of them? Did the women reach out to them?
Some have been in touch with them. Some have been able to work out deals. Others tell me that they're still running into issues where maybe the venue's offering a discount, but they're mandated to use a caterer and it just is out of their budget. So it's been hard to find that ideal situation.
Well, hopefully they do get some of their money back. Thanks, Allison.
Sure.